In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Excel. First, open Excel and head to the workbook that contains your data. Navigate to the sheet where your numbers live and make sure you can see the full column you want to add up. It helps to confirm that the values in that column are actually numbers, not text, so the result will be accurate. Now we're going to total that column. Click the empty cell where you want the sum to appear. Most people place it directly at the bottom of the column, right under the last number in the table, so it's easy to see and reference later. Start your formula by typing the equals sign. This tells Excel you're entering a formula rather than plain text. Immediately after the equals sign, type the word sum. You'll usually see Excel suggest the sum function as you type, which is a good sign that you're on the right track. After sum, add an opening parenthesis. If your version of Excel automatically inserts it, that's fine. Otherwise, just type it yourself. Next, select the entire range in that single column that you want to add. You can click the first number at the top of the list, then drag straight amounts down to the last number you want included. As you drag, you'll see Excel build a range in the formula bar, something like a start cell, a colon, and an end cell. Make sure you don't include the header or the cell where your total will go. If you prefer, you can also hold Shift and click the last cell to select everything in between in one move. Once the correct range is highlighted, close the parenthesis to finish the function. Your formula will now look complete, with sum wrapping the column range you just selected. Press Enter to calculate. Excel will instantly display the total of all the numbers in that column. Take a quick look to ensure the result makes sense based on your data. Remember, Excel's sum function ignores text, counts negative numbers toward the total, and treats blank cells as zero. The best part is that this total is dynamic. If you change any value in the selected range later, the sum updates automatically without you having to rewrite anything. That's all there is to it. Open Excel, go to your datasheet, enter an equals sign, type sum, select your column range, close the bracket, and press Enter. You now have a clean, reliable total for your column.